Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get and watch YouTube on Nintendo Switch. So what you need to do is first go to Nintendo eShop, select your profile. Now over here go to search, and then we can search for YouTube. Let's press search. Over here we have YouTube. Let's select it. Go to the right and choose free download. Once again go to the right and click the button. And now we will download the YouTube. So let's close that. We should be in the main menu. Now over here we have to wait a little bit to download the app. Once the app is downloaded, we can simply enter it. Let's select the profile. And now we can start using YouTube. We can go to the top over here where we can sign in, or we can search for something and watch. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.